Bit late today, boys. Um, just got back from football, so my bad. Start with the analysis. Oh, because it's a Friday, we'll start on the weekly. Quite a bullish week. The only thing is, there's no highs there yet, but it's cool. Let me turn these off because this looks kind of high resistance, to be honest. No SMT at the low. Four hour. And this 4 hour gap, so logically we long, but we just took out this high, so longs aren't too great, to be honest. Um, Makes it high resistance. We've already taken out these swing highs from the gap. So maybe we're making low resistance here. Got an hourly gap here, but inversed it. So could be, but we have got equal highs up here, but took out this low. This 30-minute gap. This is kind of the lowest buy, but um, got this inverse here, but no equal highs there, so we want to see what this 3-minute does. Probably leaning more long, but I don't know. Taking out this swing high, kind of got low resistance. Not really low resistance, quite far away. Two viewers. Honestly, kind of neutral right now. We'd need this 3 minute inverse to be. Need this 3 minute gap to be inversed. I mean, we kind of have equal lows here, but these highs look a little bit nicer. Honestly, we take this, like get an SMT, and then take these equal highs, I wouldn't even mind. Like this. But neutral. This 3 minute held. Could just be generating more low resistance. So we've got low resistance here for London, and then low resistance closer. I mean, I'll mark this low just because it's not a gap or anything, it's just like. But yeah, neutral right now. What about you, mate? What do you think we're gonna do? $300k, not bad. What was so expensive then? High speed drive, blank DVD. Yeah, 300k. Okay, SMT. It's not really. Same. I'm looking also for a buy. Yeah, fair enough. Nice. It's being patient, like allowing the charts to print low resistance to make it easier for me. Probably won't even get an SMT here, honestly. Probably will just take both, which would make this a lower probability. Ultimately, the context has to be longs though out of this gap. You can't even say like, you couldn't say any otherwise. The context of this gap is to go longs. I know we've taken it already, but we're still in the gap. We haven't printed a gap. Probably delete this line. Yeah, there we go. Took it. Okay. So now we've taken this external. I mean, we've got stacked lows here, but I don't think it's even relevant. If we print this 15-minute gap, we should probably like have SMT at the high. Just hit this little wick. Have to inverse this 3-minute. Just a nice chill Friday, honestly. Nothing crazy. Got 10 p.m. news. So I can delete this line now. Doesn't really matter. Right, I'm back. Why did you stop trading gold? Because I stopped trading like CFDs and Forex. Only futures. Just seems cleaner PA. Honestly, I don't mind this because we're low resistance liquidity again. We sweep this, inverse, I don't mind it. Just generating more low resistance. This SMT, this SMT isn't great because we didn't displace off of it, so it's probably going to get broken. Ideally, SMTs happen with a key level, so like this low, London low. Ideally, NAS doesn't even take it, and ES does, and we pump, but doesn't look like we've got that because obviously we've taken it. I probably wouldn't even want to take a trade here because if we take a trade here, we've got low resistance below us, so probably want to see sweep first. So I will not be participating in this. This 3 minutes should hold anyways, but we'll see. Shibam, have you got Discord, bro? I feel like you was in my chat yesterday. Maybe news manipulates and then we go down. Mm-hmm. 3 minute inverse, yeah, that's the highest time frame on right now. I would like this 3 minute to hold because I would not want my stop loss to be having all these lows below. I think these get run out. Wait, what's this? It's a nice chill one though. It's Friday, got no music on, we're just, being productive, being patient, and chilling. I understand that this is a bad trade because we haven't even inversed it yet. We've got low resistance lows. You just wouldn't want to take this. Be stupid. Let me mute that. But yeah, I can't see the 4 minute and stuff, but 3 minute is the highest time frame inverse, so we need that. But like I said, I wouldn't even want it to take it. I'd want it to fail. If you was greedy, you could probably sell this. Probably put your stop there. TP there, but I'm not trying to do all that. I'm trying to take one good trade, and that's it. Like, yes, this is a good run, but it's just not really high probability for me. And we've had such a good week that you wouldn't want to just FOMO in on a poorer price action to what we're having. Because like even if we invest this 3 minute, we've still got this 1 minute that we could just bounce off and take all this lows out. We've also got this 5 minute gap. It's open on ES. So not a high probability inverse. Especially like your stop would have to be at the manipulation line. It's just not on. See if this holds or not. 10 AM news. Especially with ES opening at 5. It's not good. Yes, I could be wrong. This setup could play out. It's just a bit too risky for me because so we get this inverse. Stop would have to go at least like there. Target in here. And we could easily pull back. Take out all these lows and then go up. So it just doesn't look great for me. But then again, if I'm wrong and this 3 minute or whatever holds, great. I didn't miss it. You know, I'm not trying to rush. I'm trying to take one good trade a day. Make sure I've got low resistance where I'm targeting. Right now I've got low resistance where my stop loss is. That's not what you want. Technically, like that'd be like a low risk sell. Low resistance below. This would be the gap, but you just nah. Might not even be a trade today, honestly. Doesn't look like we're gonna hold it. I mean, that does mean you could technically short it. All this low resistance, but I don't know. We are in a 4 hour bullish gap. No matter how bearish we look, we're in a bullish gap. So, okay, 10 AM news. I don't know if it'll do anything. Don't think it's like relevant at all. I think this is an AI one. Real time. Okay. What is this? What is that? I did not understand what that even is. Okay. Probably just no trade for me. You're in? Yeah, fair play. For me, I just really don't like these lows below. I know we've got like a tiny SMT, the low, and I could be wrong and, you know, miss the trade, but I just don't like that we've stacked so much lows below us. But if it plays, it plays, and good job. Like the draw on equity would still be valid. Like I'd probably be targeting. Well, this is an hourly gap now. I'd probably be targeting this bearish hourly, easy draw. It's 30-minute probably as well. Do you get the 3-minute inverse? Don't really, I'm not going to touch it. But I'll just take breed. Probably the hourly gap. These like 930 high. Well, it depends your ratio. I'd probably go break even at the hourly gap here, and then maybe target this 30-minute gap equal highs, something like that. Like this hourly gap is gonna get hit. Yep, and we just hit it. So depending on your entry, probably go break even now. I don't know what your ratio would be, but I think this 30-minute gap is probably guaranteed as well. But this hourly should definitely be a break even, or at least partials if you take partials. Probably gonna retrace a little bit off this, and then maybe continue up. Like I said, we have these equal highs above, so if you want to be that guy and keep a runner on, I'd probably target these highs because they're kind of stacked. But this is probably an easy gap to target. It's a 15-minute gap. It's also a 30, which should get hit on one asset. But yeah, I'd probably would be break even on this hourly, depending. Like if you got in here, you might get break even, to be honest. But it's up to you. That's what I would be definitely like targeting. If you could get a good enough ratio on this, then I probably would have targeted that. Don't know what this. Yeah, you wouldn't get a 1-to-1. That'd be really bad. When did you say that you got in? I'm in. Oh, it doesn't tell me. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't tell me, but yeah, definitely break even. I mean, you may get break even, but a break even isn't a bad shout because you've got these lows. Technically, when you're in an hourly gap, we can use this logic to target the lows. Honestly, that could be a trade. Like, there's no free. Oh, there is a 3-minute. It's 3-minute inverse. There's so many things on my screen. Get rid of you now. But I probably wouldn't short it anyways. But technically, out of this hourly gap, you know, what are gaps used for? To go down. Obviously, not all the time, but it's a good break-even point because that is technically what it's used for. But yeah, where did you get in? Entries, 3-minute inverse. Okay, so you probably got in there. Wait, yeah, you got in there. What, like right at the top? Where's your 1-to-1? Probably just target a 1-to-1 if your ratio is that bad then. Depends where your stop loss was. Yeah. Yeah, probably just a 1-to-1, honestly. Maybe like trail as we tap this. Maybe trail. It's up to you. But have we got any more levels? Maybe we have one here, but we might chop around. So it's up to you. But that's 2 levels easily called. Probably would just take a 1-to-1, to be honest. If you're like, I know you are break even now, but if anyone is in this exact trade, I would definitely be break even now. 100%. Well, like, the ultimate target is obviously here, but it's whether you've got the balls to hold it or you just want to be done with Friday. I'd probably just want to be done with Friday, but optional. What's it on? Is it on like an eval? Is it on just demo? Is it on a funded account? I'm all out. Nice, bro. Good trade. Lovely stuff. You must have your stop like a little bit tighter then. Yeah, yeah. You probably had your stop at the bodies, right? Good trade though. Very clean. You don't need like this is the magnet, but you don't need to target that. Like, why would you want to like sit through like this? Like potentially getting break even, and then maybe you start making our way up and like just take a 1-to-1 easily. Yeah, body low. Yeah, nice. Really good 1-to-1. Like I know people hate on 1-to-1s, but like if you know where price is going, 1-to-1 is great. Like why would you not want to be? Why would you not want to win? Like for the sake of ego, of oh, I can take a trade to here. Like it's just not what you do. No, really clean trade though. Yeah, nice. Like some days, like yesterday. Did it wait? Did yesterday? Yeah, so like yesterday we'll just pump like this was the easy draw and then this was like the ultimate draw. Some days we'll take this one and then just pump. Like some days we'll just be really slow. So you don't always have to hold to the final target. It's just like, a magnet. Why would we move higher? Well, delivering out of a 4 hour gap. We've taken out this swing low. We've got an inverse and we've got low resistance liquidity on the way up. Great trade. That's all it needs to be. It doesn't need to be complicated. Just like I faded this, but technically it's valid because you have the S&T at the low, so this kind of makes it protected. But you know, we got the S&T and didn't. If we like got this S&T inverse straight away, yes, super clean. But because we got this S&T and kind of chopped, it wasn't the best, but it played out. That's just you know, I can call price, which is the skill, but sometimes you don't always have to execute on that. Yeah, exactly. Like yesterday was super clean. Like it looks identical today to today. Oh my god, bro. To today, like here, entry. We got kind of equal highs here. We got clean equal highs there, and then final target got clean equal highs there. But yeah, some days it will just be really choppy. So if you take like these two draws, we'll edge the high, maybe come and get break even. But what is it ultimately doing? Creating low resistance liquidity to then do what? Do the exact same thing. Now, any entry technique works. It's just whether you've got low resistance there or not. Like, if you're losing a trade and it looked great, it's probably because there was no low resistance there. It doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It just means you need to be a bit more patient. Like, some people probably took this inverse here, but why would you not take this inverse? There, it's only one high. There's no low resistance liquidity here. Like, what are you targeting? You're just targeting 930 high. Whereas you wait, what does it do? Fail. But what is it actually doing? It's just building. I know it's only two, but still, it's better than just one swing high. Yeah, it was always going to be a bullish bias, regardless if we come here or not, because we're delivering out of a 4 hour gap. It'd be stupid not to. Um, and we've completely filled this hourly as well now. 30-minute high holding. 15-minute, we tapped it. So we're seeing like a bit of a reaction now because this is kind of the low risk sell technically. Like if you're here pumping, you get this retracement. This is always going to give a reaction, whether it's this, whether it's that. The deepest gap in the leg is always going to give a reaction. But ultimately, you'd want to see these hold if if you're still in. This probably will not inverse. I mean, I could be wrong, but you'd rather see this hold, because then you're seeing low resistance, come deeper in, get an inverse. We've got this high target and that high, and then should just pump. So you don't want to be too quick to pull the trigger. Here, yes, okay, you could FOMO in, but then you're just targeting this high, like, so it just needs to move. Just how we move down here, it needs to do that for the 1 minute gaps too. Like, we need to come up, build some liquidity, and then go up. If price just went up and down, be the easiest market to trade because you just buy the dip every time. But yeah, Friday you do not want to hold full target. Like, I'm only watching it because I just want to see it, and I like streaming. Um, Friday, we've had such a bullish week. Like, if you think about the weekly candle, we opened, came, made the low, we started distributing higher. What is Friday probably going to do? Close back in the range. So we could do the complete opposite bias to what we've had all week. Like, it would actually be nice to see this gap fail as well and like hold to generate more low resistance. Just proof of concept, but doesn't have to. It can play, but be high probability if we kind of chill and then yeah. ES didn't take IRL. Yeah. So windy. Yeah, we got SMTs. With this 30-minute gap, hasn't been taken yet. But it's probably not even an SMT, it's probably just low resistance building on ES. Like, look, 1, 2, 3. You know, it's quite far away, but this, to be fair, I wouldn't even count that as clean as Nas. Nas is so much cleaner. Like, you see how this high is like, you know, I know it's 5 points, but comparing it to Nas, literally got highs come up, come up, come up, come up, come up, bang. But yeah, you'd want to see this hold. Like, you could have taken that entry there. But like I said, you know, I guess we are delivering kind of out of a higher time frame, like this 3 minute, but you know, it's not the highest probability inverse. We came in it, respected it, came in it, respected it, and then we inversed. You know, that's kind of just building low resistance below. Like, it played out, yeah, but it's not always going to play out. Most of the time, it's not going to play out. So, yeah, we'll watch it. News did nothing. Oh no, I'm lying. News did. News just made that inverse. But yeah, no, really nice way to end Friday. Nice little tape read stream. I didn't get an entry, but doesn't really matter, to be honest. You don't always need an entry to have a good day as a trader. Like, if you can call where price is going, that's even better. Oh, bless me. Yeah, exactly. Like, sometimes it's better to sit on your hands. Building good habits. Like, if um, if I'd have taken this and then we'd you know, come down, taken all the low resistance, then got a better entry and build in low resistance on the way down, I'd be like, why did I take that? So, you know, for some other people, they'd be happy to take that because they got an SMT. Like, it's technically a valid trade. There's SMT at the bottom, but I prefer like us not even hitting this level like that, and then we like SMT in here. But you know, it's not always going to be the same. Still a clean day. I actually bet this guy's, if he's live. Is he live? No. I bet he's probably in the same. Okay, he's probably already won this queue. Oh, oh, it's practice. Express, he won. Took longs, good job. We took inverse. What did he take? Just a retrace, I guess. Nice though. Clean. Do do do. But nice, nice way to end Friday. He's long. Is he long? Don't really understand that screenshot, to be honest. Not gonna lie. I know he is long. He's break even. My bad. How much do you make? Like 5k. Yeah, nice. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's why you don't take this inverse gap. We opened up a 5. We've opened up a 5, yeah. Oh, not minus. Plus 5. What even is that? I just... Yeah, nice and chill though, like... Just come back from football with my mate. Come back to a nice little tape read. Happy days. This high also could technically be protected because it took out a swing high, but we'll see. Whoa, a bird just ran out my window. So yeah, low key could just be protected high. We don't even hit it. But like, what have we been doing on the way up? Generating low resistance liquidity. So that's how you just got to view the market. Don't just take like that's kind of good, I guess. Like this. Don't take like I can't even do it, bro. Don't take like that. That'd be a stupid trade. Make sure there's low resistance. But yeah, this will probably hit break even now, to be honest. But still, like 1.3R. You took the 1R. Happy days. And these are like guaranteed places that it's gonna get hit as well. But this is guaranteed. It's not only a 30-minute gap, it's also equal highs. Like, if we thought this was the high of the day, you could probably short this as well, but you don't want to play both sides. Just let it be. If you hit break even, hit break even. Even on a tape read, like, I wouldn't see this break even as I'm a bad trader. I'd be thinking, okay, we just tape read 160 points, 140 points, guaranteed. So, I mean, this could still play, but, you know, it's highs, higher resistance, even though we've got the equal highs, because we took out a swing high. But, we'll see, we'll see. Could even do like, and then turn out. Is this not like the exact image that I took before? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, yeah, nice. Probably hop for like 10, to be honest. Make some food. Not 10, half 10, my bad. No. Um, I've got loads. This is like one of my circles that I've got. Add me though. What's your Discord? I'll add you up. Um, my Discord is. Add that, and I'll add you back. Yeah, I've got quite a lot of the circles. Like some from people that been I've known for a while now. Some is like influencers. Yeah, just add me up, bro. Yeah, we're chopping now. Um, I'll probably make a video. Um, do you make videos? Kind of. Probably make a trade recap as well. Just 'cause, why not? Don't know. Did my video go out yesterday? Yeah, it did. No views, that's cool though. But yeah, I'll probably make a trade recap later. But if you want to add me on Discord, just send me a friend request and I'll accept that. But as for this trade, I would not care now. I'd probably just turn the charts off. It literally does not matter. Um, yeah, if we hit the high, we hit the high. If we don't, it honestly doesn't matter. Like, we hit most of our targets and we use the main one as a draw, not a guarantee. But yeah, no, really good week. My first week streaming every day. It's been actually really fun, to be honest. I've really enjoyed it. And really clean PA as well. So yeah, but have a good weekend, everyone, and I'll see you guys in a bit.